Hello everyone, this is Val from Mike and Val's Life, and today I am participating in the Shop Your Home Spring DIY Decor Challenge hosted by Crafty Kitty. This is a challenge that you do a DIY, but you cannot buy anything. You can't go to the dollar store, you can't go to a thrift store. Whatever you do, you have to already have it in your home. And so now I want to share with you what the materials that I used and what I did. I had this material left over from a project that I did before Easter, or before I started decorating for Easter, and I made a lighted rag garland with this material. So I still had this, and I had these two things that I bought from Dollar Tree about November or December. So this was the project I came up with. I'm making two. This is the first one. And it's just a rag wreath. And now I'm going to show you how I actually made it. I have started this one, and it is very, very simple. The first thing you want to do is cut out your material. Now mine was pretty easy because it was already in little squares, and they're about 3 by 3. Then I put in some glue in a little plastic container. I'm using this little screwdriver that came free with some Duracell batteries a while back, and pinking shears to cut out the little squares. And this is all you do. You just get your little screwdriver, whatever that you use, just wrap that around, dip it in the glue, and then push it down. And then you just keep going. The good thing about this little screwdriver is that you can't push it down too far, because it's only you'll see how long. Some things I would be scared to use because I wouldn't know how far to push down. And that's why I did think this was something good to use. Now I know no one wants to sit and watch me finish this, so I will get through with it, and I will return and show you how it all came out. Okay, this is my finished project. I made a larger one, and then a smaller one. And the reason I did it this way is I can stack these and use them this way. I can use them separate, or I can even hang them. But I am going to now show you how I am going to use them before Easter, and then how I will use them for spring without the bunnies and everything. So just give me a few and I'll be right back. Okay, and this is the 2 rag wreaths that I have stacked together and just put the little bunny on top. The little Anna Lee bunny. And this is the way I'm going to keep it, or I'm going to use them until after Easter. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to use them afterwards. Okay, then after Easter, after I take down all the bunnies, this is the way I want my spring coffee table to look. I am using the 2 rag wreaths. I've just put them down and put some little Anna Lee mice on them. And also have some little Anna Lee little kittens. And another little mouse. And here's the other little kitten. But this is how I will use the rag wreaths. I just want to thank Crafty Kitty for inviting us for this challenge, and hope everyone has a great spring. Good night.